Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Diamond K18. Today I will be playing with one of my subscribers. Say hi. Say hi to you. Say hi to YouTube. So this is Ice Princess. We were talking and I asked her if she was in my video, and she said yes! And then I started up my recording and now she's probably just typing, so then yeah. But I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. And so yeah, so Ice. Ice. I'm so happy that you guys are in my video. And I hope you guys really enjoy. I work so hard on these videos. But I'm gonna try to get that halo. Halo. So I'm gonna go to the halo. So I'm just gonna quickly run. Sorry, I was blowing something off. Oh! The star. The wishing fountain looks so nice today. We decided to stare into its. Guys, I don't know what this is. Now, but as I said earlier, I'm so happy that you guys can be in my video. And I really thought that you guys would like it, and yeah. But there was a lot of people here. So, but it's really fun here, and I'm really happy that you guys can join. And so, I can't make live streams because I really do not know. Okay, so I've seen people. I'm not judging, but people like have to get apparently diamond to look pretty in the game. That's what people say. But not that. And then people know that I'm a YouTuber. I mean, it's very unique. You're on the vid. You're on the vid. Yeah, she's on the video. Don't worry about my face. I just like it. Okay. Okay. Enter please. You are taking so long. Enter please. Enter please. Please, 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 please. She's just trying to say hi YouTube, but say let's go to Royal High. Okay. Now let's crawl inside. Okay, so we are teleporting, and I will see you guys. What? No, we're already here. So Ezoga, Ezoga. A beautiful hair gone. happened to little hairs? My coochie little hair. No, my hair is gone. It's good gone. I literally lose connection again. Okay. Hairstyles. Braid. Guys, my game's frozen. Well, I hope you all enjoyed. Please subscribe, leave a comment down below what I should play, and love you all. Bye. I hope you enjoyed.